Now, what y'all know about the Charleston shoes, though? Y'all don't know nothing about these, man. You gotta put them in a freezer, too. You gotta put these joints in a freezer and get righty. Hold on. We ain't even gonna do it like that. We just gonna slide that bad boy. Get you a bite of that. I'm telling you, they got the mini ones of these. You put them in the freezer and you just toss them throughout the day. Pause. It's a marshmallow. Let me see. I don't even know. It doesn't have a description, but it's like marshmallow covered with chocolate. We just gonna bite it. I go. Oh man. You see how it was crunchy? From the saliva, pause. It gets softy. I'm gonna wipe my nose after. You want it? Or you wanna be stuck in your tooth. Floss your teeth every day. I hope I ain't just spit. But these joints right here, look at this. And they give you a lot for only 230 calories. It's manufactured by a Tootsie Roll factory. Oh, I gotta get one more bite. These joints hit. Ten out of 10. I love them things.